Hello, friends. I welcome you all to my channel Learn English Today. Today's video is going to be very interesting and you will learn something new. So, without wasting any time, let's start this wonderful video. Let's move to the first slide. Today, we are learning kitchen vocabulary. The first word is griddle. Griddle meaning a heavy flat iron plate that is heated and used for cooking food यानी रोटी बनाने का तवा तवे को हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं ग्रिडल एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस से समझते हैं Mom used the griddle to make delicious pancakes for breakfast. Second sentence I learned how to cook sunny side up eggs on the griddle in just a few minutes. So, griddle. Griddle means तवा रोटी बनाने का तवा नेक्स्ट वर्ड लेते हैं skillet. Skillet meaning a skillet is a shallow iron pan which is used for frying. यानी फ्राइंग पैन को हम बोलते हैं स्किलेट एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस आई कैन मेक अ परफेक्ट ग्रिल्ड चीज सैंडविच यूजिंग द स्किलेट सेकेंड सेंटेंस Mom loves using the skillet to make delicious chicken stir fry and lots of colorful veggies. So, skillet. Skillet means frying pan. Third word is colander. Colander meaning a metal or plastic bowl with a lot of small holes in it used for draining water from vegetables etc for washing or cooking. So छन्नी छलनी जिसमें हम वेजिटेबल्स जिसको धोने के लिए फ्रूट्स को धोने के लिए या किसी भी चीज़ का किचन में वाटर को ड्रेन करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं उसे कहते हैं कोलेंडर एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस आफ्टर बॉइलिंग द पास्ता शी यूज द कोलेंडर टू ड्रेन द वाटर बिफोर एडिंग द सॉस नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस बिफोर मेकिंग द सैलेड he rinsed the fresh vegetables in the colander to remove any dirt. So, colander. Colander means छन्नी. Next word लेते हैं wok. Wok meaning a large pan like a bowl in shape used for cooking food and deep frying. जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं कढ़ाई कढ़ाई एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस Dad heated up the wok to make delicious fried rice, mixing in veggies and eggs for a flavorful dish. Second sentence For lunch, we tossed noodles and veggies into the wok, creating a yummy noodle stir fry. So, कढ़ाई को बोलते हैं wok. Wok. Next word mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle meaning a set of tools used for grinding and mixing ingredients, often spices or herbs. पिक्चर से ही समझ गए होंगे जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं खरल उखली मुसल एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंसेस लेते हैं She crushed basil, garlic, and pine nuts in mortar and pestle to create a delicious pesto sauce. Mom used the mortar and pestle to grind fresh spices for the curry, releasing their rich flavors. So, mortar and pestle. Mortar and pestle. Next word is tureen. Tureen, meaning a large, deep covered dish for serving soup, stew, or other foods. एक बोल की एक डिश जिसको सूप या स्ट्यू या और चीज़ें सर्व करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है और इसको लिड से कवर किया जाता है दिस इज कॉल्ड tureen which is especially used for serving soup. Example sentences: Mom brought out the tureen to serve the hot chicken noodle soup for dinner. Next sentence: During holidays, we use tureen to present the hearty beef stew to the family. Tureen, a dish or pot serving soup and stew and other dishes also. So in today's video, we have learned some kitchen vocabulary like griddle, skillet, wok, colander, mortar and pestle, and tureen. I hope you have enjoyed the video and might have learned something new. So, if you have liked my video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the notification bell. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, happy learning and thanks for watching.